guys, Robin here with WTI. I want to talk to you about one of my favorites in my house is this dual hot pot and grill. I absolutely love it. Let me show you why. I love the fact that this has the dual bowl for multiple flavors of broth. It can also be removed entirely to create one giant grill. The drip tray does come in handy too. The controls do light up when the temperature is on and will go off when it has reached temperature or you have turned it off. We have a variety of food cooking right now and you can see the heat coming off that. It is cooking it really nicely. We also added a few different items to the menu today, such as udon, corn, and everything cooks really well in the hot broth. And then the bonus of having the grill there to cook not only mushrooms, but all your extra meats too. Cleanup is an absolute breeze. It looks very oily, but all you have to do is dispose of any unused broth. It is quite oily, so we throw it in the trash, and then whatever else we just put down our drain. Super simple, soft scrub sponge with some soap, and you will get the job done in no time. Same goes for the grill. You just want to make sure you avoid getting too much water in the electrical ports for the power. And it is really such a great non-stick. Cleaning was not a problem at all. And don't forget the drip tray. I like to wipe it down just because it is a metal, so I don't want it to rust in our climate. So guys, I think you would really love it, but that's just my point of view.